Turn the page, live your life every day. Don't let anybody stand in your way.
All right, what have we got here? Look at this. This is turkey breast, but this was left over from Thanksgiving, and it's almost like a perfect turkey breast. Look at that thing. It's like perfect. Just me and my wife, we didn't eat that much. These are leftover mashed and smashed potatoes. I like to keep the skins in and make them a little more chunky than some folks. And that's leftover. Who can tell me what that is? Yep, that's green bean casserole. A little olive oil, salt, pepper. Mike Foster here, how you doing? More leftover from Thanksgiving, but guess what? This is what you do. I always overcook, so I can have plenty of leftovers. I showed you a slider before. This is gonna be a turkey, potato, green bean, whatever you wanna call it casserole, call it a fricassee, call it a leftover surprise. No matter what you call it, it's gonna be delicious. Check it out. First thing you wanna do is you wanna take this beautiful turkey breast, see it? Of course you see it, and I am going to slice it in these little babies, and then I'm gonna cube it up so that it'll go and work in this situation that I make it right here. All right, let's cube this up. Give these guys like a little cube. Yeah, just like that. See it? Yeah. Let me finish this up. I'll meet you at the stove. All right, we have a medium pan. We're gonna put a little olive oil down. We're gonna take that turkey, like that, put it down. That's perfect. We're gonna warm this up. Guess what? It needs a little more olive oil. Know what else? It needs a little salt, 2. When I say 2, I mean 4. Then some pepper. That's it. All right, let's mix this baby up. It's gonna be really quick. It's leftovers, everything's already been cooked. We already ate for Thanksgiving, and now I'm making you eat it again. That's the kind of host I am. Then you're gonna take some potatoes, plop those down. Plop those down. Bust them in, plop them down. I like this. I like where you're going with this, Mikey. Then you can take that leftover, everyone knows this recipe, it's that thing with the, the beans and the thing. Let's incorporate it. Now this is gonna be a slow and go. Put this down to medium low. What we're gonna do just for fun is add some butter, like right there, because this is gonna need some butter to get it to that next level. So I'm gonna put that butter in, I'm gonna melt that in there. Let's incorporate everything, that butter. We need to get this loosey and goosey, but also delicious. A little more olive oil. Let's put it up to medium again. Incorporate. I'm gonna do something a little crazy here. Because these potatoes need to be a little creamier, I'm gonna add just a little milk. And then you're just gonna keep incorporating this. And you're just gonna keep, this is at medium. You're gonna incorporate this, a little more pepper. That's enough, no more salt. All right, that's at medium. Let's get that down to medium low. Incorporate. Could you put an egg in here? Probably, you could put egg anywhere, but not this time. Could you serve this over toast? Could you serve it over pasta? Sure, but this is like this is gonna be a nice leftover surprise. Oh, that's perfect. Shut this off, serve it up. All right, I don't think you can tell what it is by looking at it, but it's leftover turkey, leftover mashed potatoes, and leftover green bean casserole put together in this beautiful leftover mix it up. Thanksgiving leftover mix it up. I think I just got the title. Let's have a big bite. There it is. Here's the leftover masterpiece. It's very hot. Let's see if it's a hot mess. So this looks like crazy mashed potatoes, but you can taste, that could be the name of it, crazy mashed potatoes, but you can taste that turkey. Perfect chicken, perfect turkey breast. The beans, something green. Any of those onions. This is absolutely perfect way to end your 4-day weekend. Happy Thanksgiving. Happy holidays. You can have this for Christmas too. But let's social distance, wear our masks, and remember to keep living life 365. Until next time, peace.
Live life 365.
Look at me. Where am I? You see the tree behind me? Where? Let me do it. Try to stand there. There it is. There's the tree, Christmas tree behind me. It's Thanksgiving weekend. Maybe you can see it. You can see it right there. There you go. We'll show you more of that later. That's simple. Douchebags. Read my lips. Keep it centered. Don't get off on a tangent. You're gonna taste chicken. You're gonna taste potatoes. You're gonna taste the beans. The green bean casserole, you know which one I'm talking about. That's really good. Will my wife like it? We'll find out. But honestly, people, this is a very serious virus. It's been here for almost a year. I don't want it to last another year. Let's finish it up. Let's do all the right things and keep in. Sacrifice. Baba and Sweet Babu. Peace. That's good. All right, where are you? You know, I'm supposed to social distance because I'm too close for these people, for some people. Maybe for Earl. That's a shout out to you, Earl. And check out, there's the tree. It's not decorated. I just put it up. But how nice that looks. That's a pretty nice tree, isn't it? Hark the herald angels sing, glory to the newborn King. More singing to come. Baba.